All right, woodworkers, welcome back to Tool and Timber by Us Said. If you're just getting started, there are 6 essential tools you've got to have in your workshop. Let's dive in. First up, the handsaw. This classic tool is great for making precise cuts in wood. Whether you're cutting a 2x4 or trimming a piece of plywood, a sturdy handsaw is indispensable. Next, the claw hammer. Perfect for driving nails into wood and pulling them out. It's a must-have for any project, big or small. Make sure you get one with a comfortable grip. You'll be using it a lot. The carpenter's square is next on our list. This tool ensures your cuts and joints are perfectly square. It's incredibly useful for layout work and checking angles. A true lifesaver for precision tasks. Now don't forget a good measuring tape. Accurate measurements are the backbone of woodworking. Look for one that's sturdy, with clear markings and a reliable lock. It'll save you from so many headaches. Moving on to power tools, the cordless drill is a game changer. From drilling holes to driving screws, this versatile tool is essential. Make sure you've got a set of various drill bits to tackle different tasks. Lastly, the Orbital Sander. For smooth, professional finishes on your projects, an Orbital Sander is your best friend. It's great for sanding large surfaces quickly and efficiently. All right, those are the 6 must-have tools for new woodworkers. Get these in your toolkit, and you'll be well on your way to crafting amazing pieces. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking content. See you next time.